Guys, for this video I just want to share how to make a screenshot of your laptop, and this is very simple, but if you really do know how to make a screenshot for your laptop, your PC, that will be quite difficult. And if we didn't notice that the simple things sometimes, and this is very hard for us, so I just found out that this is very simple. If you want to make a screenshot to your screen here, your laptop screen here, what you're gonna do is just press Window plus Shift plus S. So Window plus Shift plus S together, you press together, and you'll be able to shoot your screen. So once you already screenshot here, you're going to see in your laptop screen here. So as usual, you can check it out on the full screen. So here will be the full screen, and if you go to your document, and you'll be able to see here, this is your screenshot. So just like the photo, so this is right here where I just make a screenshot just now. This is very pretty simple, and but if we do know, then this is hard for us. So I hope this video will help for someone that's who does not know how to make a screenshot for the PC.